Good morning, friends. It's Sammy back with another episode of the Daily Dash. That's right. It's everything you need to know from around the world and in my life, straight from my car dashboard to yours. I am showing you where we are right now because there's two big things going on. Not only are my kids going to camp today, there's our church, Cross Point Kids Camp. You guys want to be on camera? No. Show me your heads. Kids Camp. Kids Camp. But over here in Bellevue, which is Nashville, Tennessee, woot woot, this Goodwill is opening, the largest Goodwill, second largest in Middle Tennessee, so that's pretty exciting. So three big stories. One is horribly sad. There was a church massacre, really, and there's no other way to say it. 9 people killed in a shooting in a church in Charleston, South Carolina. Tropical Storm Bill continues to flood and devastate Texas. And on a happier note, a 9-year-old girl evidently wrote to the President Obama, last year, asking why there were no women on any of the currency. And now the U.S. Treasury announced that starting in 2020, they will put a woman on the $10 bill, and we have a chance to vote on that. So pretty cool. Shows that kids can do things too, right? Uncommon kids. Kids can too. So we are, like I said, the kids are going to Kids Camp for the first time. So it's just 2 nights going up to Kentucky. I think the clincher was that you guys get to choose tracks. It's a Lifeway camp, and so it's pretty cool because they're getting to choose stuff like what are you guys going to be doing? Tennis, naturally,
archery stuff, water activities, lots of different things.
Basketball, football, volleyball, drama, dance. Britain's not doing dance, but lots of cool stuff to do. So pretty exciting. So if you're a praying kind, I appreciate your prayers for that. Oh, speaking of praying, ultrasound was out yesterday on my neck. They had me down for next week. They didn't tell me that. I promise they told me yesterday. So no update there. And I've got to get my registration on the vehicle today. Thrilling. And we're doing a little Father's Day surprise. Can't tell you because sometimes my husband watches. Not much. I don't think, if you're a blogger, I feel like friends and family never watch this. So maybe that's why I feel free to talk about it, because no one I know is listening. But I'm glad for those of you that are. Hi, Ada L. Appreciate the hearts and all, and I hope you guys have a great day wherever you are. Make sure you make it great. Bye.